You can now give buyers on Amazon the option for 0% APR, which means more people buying your product. So all you have to do is log into Amazon Seller Central, and then you're going to go into the Growth tab, and then you're going to click Explore Programs. Once you're there, it's going to take you right to this page, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to FCF. So scroll, FCF, there it is. Learn more. We're going to click right here. Once you click there, it's going to take you to the next page, which is the flexible customer financing page right here. And you can see here it is, increase sales by offering customers 0% APR interest-free installment options on products priced above $50. So this is an huge opportunity. You bear no risk if a customer does not pay or not pay on time, right? So Amazon actually pays you upfront. And if the customer doesn't pay, that's not on you. So you get to keep the money, good to go, right? And I'm going to be explaining more in depth about it. But you can look at the benefits. And right here, Amazon says increase sales on products by as much as 5 to 20%. So it could increase sales, right? Now, it does cost money, obviously, at the end of the day. But before you enroll your product in this, your listing should be completely optimized. If it's not optimized, this is just not going to work. And in order for that, you can just go into the link in the description. We'll give you a free listing audit. Fill this out, and we'll actually look at your top competitors, what they're doing, how much money they're making, and top improvements that you can make on your Amazon account. This is definitely going to help you in the long run to make sure your product is optimized. So that way people are actually using this program, because this program does cost money. And here's the cost details right here. So they're going to be charging you a minimum of 4.2%, right? So this is Amazon charges you a fee only when customers pay for enrolled products using interest-free installment payment options that you choose to fund, right? You are charged FCF fees only when the enrolled products are purchased by customers through relevant 0 APR function. So you can review this, but pretty much this is the fees. Amazon's going to be charging you 4.2%. So if you sell a $100 product, Amazon's going to be charging you an extra $4, around $4.20 for this, right? And then you could change it if you want to give customers more of an option. Installments of 6 to 12 months, it's going to go up. And then long-term installments, it's going to go up even higher. So that really depends on you. Amazon's obviously going to be charging you a fee. So just be aware of this. Now let's go into the FAQ and how the program works, right? Now it says right here, your seller account will not be affected if a customer does not make the installment payments to the financial partner. They also say you will receive the net proceeds from the sale in a single disbursement as per usual. So you get paid up front, right? You get paid for this up front. If the customer doesn't pay, then it doesn't impact your account at all. Amazon deals with it, or the third party deals with it. Amazon doesn't claw the money back from your account. So that's a huge win and a huge concern for a lot of people who want to enroll in this. And there's something else. What if the buyer returns the item? So they wait and then they finally return the item. You're going to get the fee that you were charged is going to be refunded to you. So the FCF fee is going to be refunded to you at the end of the day, which is pretty decent. So this is a solid option to potentially increase your sales if you have a product that's worth above $50, and you can disenroll from this program at any time. So it's worth a shot to see if it actually increases sales, especially when we get closer to those holiday seasons. Buyers are a little bit more desperate and they need that extra money. That 0 APR will help them at the end of the day, right? But that's it for today's video. And if you want more Amazon videos, comment below, and I'm happy to make more videos for you on anything Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help sell you on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. We're going to be managing your inventory, customer service, ads, support, making sure all of your fees are being properly charged. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.